Let's move from there to Detroit and now to a big move made today by Mayor Duggan.
Yeah, big indeed. A short time ago, he announced city employees will start getting hazard pay, and it's going to start Monday. We want to get to Mayor McDonald. She's live tonight at Eastern Market. Mar, this is huge.
Well, for starters, the mayor says that first responders in this city are going to see an $800 bump in pay. Some hourly workers in this city will see an increase of $5 an hour, Kimberly and Devin. More info to come on that on Monday, but the mayor had a lot more to get to. Let me show you.
A very subdued Mike Duggan delivering the hardest news to hear first.
Today, what we have is a lot of sad news. So we are reporting now that 326 Detroiters have died of COVID-19. We're reporting 54 more cases today than yesterday. And it is a reminder to all of us that this fight is not over.
He says he's heard a lot of pushback on the governor extending the stay-at-home order, but says these numbers are why it must continue, and he's hyper-focused on nursing homes right now.
Denise Fair and her health team have been out there. We started at 2 of the nursing homes with the biggest infection problems, but the rates of infection that we are seeing are really disturbing.
And while he says so many people have been complying with the stay-at-home order, there are some real problems, especially with kids in parks, specifically Riverside Park.
The one area that has been disappointing, even though 99% of the city has been terrific, has been the skate park at Riverside Park in southwest Detroit. And the police are continuing to have to make runs over and over to people who are ignoring us. And so I have shut down the skate park at Riverside Park. We're shutting down the parking area. I am not going to have police cars having to make the same runs over and over to the same people who refuse to comply.
Back here live, the other issue that the police department is telling the mayor's office about is that police are seeing increased groups of younger kids, say between 10, 12, 13, out running around in packs, out in parks, touching the equipment. They can't do that. They simply can't do that. And the police don't want to be the ones to have to break this up. So the mayor is appealing to parents and grandparents to please explain to these children why this cannot happen. That yes, they may recover if they get this virus, but all they're doing is spreading it further. There is one bright spot here to tell you about, though, from the mayor. He says Police Chief James Craig is recovering, and he's just waiting on a doctor's note to be able to come back to work. We're live in Eastern Market tonight. I'm Mayor McDonald. Back to you.
It was okay.